Hey guys, this is Quick Oil and Brake. Today I'm replacing the cabin air filter. This is a glove box. First things, you have to open this one and you have to press from this side and this side with the both hands, and it's gonna be come out. And also before that, this one you have to push back and release. Okay, see, so now I'm gonna use my both hands to remove. Okay, and also make sure that your stuff is out, and there's one tab on the right, one tab on the left. So also I'm going to use my both hands to remove the shield. So this is the one, and now I'm pulling the air filter, the cabin air filter. You see, it's not supposed to be like this. It's very dirty. So I order the original. This is the part number for the cabin air filter. So I'm gonna replace this one. Okay, as you see, I already installed air filter. So now we have to put, and also if you notice, there's a mark on a shield. It's a flow direction. You have to make sure also there's on a air filter. So it's a arrow mark down, so you have to make sure you're putting that correctly. So I'm gonna put this sheet back. Okay, this is done. So you just this one, and also lift this one, put. Okay, this is also done. It's working good. So this is also get done, and I hope you learned something today, how to install a cabin air filter. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.